How to go from minimum wage to making six figures a year all online. What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today is How To Thursdays. Alright, and today we're talking about how to go from minimum wage to six figures a year. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We drop 2 videos a week, Monday and Thursday. Mondays, I usually go off of money, something to do with money, anything savings, financial freedom, things like that, even businesses and things like that. And on Thursday, we go to the how to, okay? I teach you how to do something, all right? So now back to the topic on hand, how to go from minimum wage to six figures a year all online. Okay, so I know the title sounds crazy, but hear me out. First, let's figure out how much is six figures a year, okay? Six figures is any number $100,000 or more. That's simple. $100,000 or more is six figures. So the next question is, how do we get to this number? How do we get six figures a year? How do we make it there? You know? Well, it's not that hard. Because to make $100,000 or more per year, you would have to make $50 per hour if you worked 8 hours per day with no vacations. Well, let me take that back. That is kind of hard. Not having a vacation, can't go nowhere, can't do nothing, can't have no fun with your friends and family, no breaks, no fun in the sun. That's no way to live at all. I take that back. That's kind of hard, man. That's kind of hard to do that. Make $100,000 a year, all right? Just for 8 hours per day, okay, and no vacations. That's kind of hard. All right, so, let's scratch that, because we trying to live life to the fullest, not punch a clock for the rest of our lives. You know what I mean? Like, let's scratch that formula. Okay? And the sad part about it is that most people won't even make it six figures working at a job, all right? And I know I wasn't, so I had to make some moves. That's a fact. Like that, I wasn't going to be able to make six figures working at my job I was working at. And the fact is that most people that work at a job or make minimum wage or even above or $20 an hour, $25 an hour, that's half. That's like $50,000. You know what I'm saying? But you haven't reached that six-figure amount. And furthermore, most people that work these jobs are paying the IRS too much money on their weekly taxes. Ding, ding, ding. This is the missing point right here. A lot of times, people that are working these jobs are paying too much money to the IRS on their taxes. Every week or bi-weekly, they're paying too much on that check. And on that check, there is a predetermined amount of taxes that you're going to pay. Now, the thing is, the average person doesn't realize this, okay? They're paying too much to the IRS every week. They don't really realize that they're doing this. So I recommend that you should be trying to break even with the IRS on your weekly or bi-weekly taxes. That's so you can actually make more on your weekly or bi-weekly check, okay? See how this is gonna turn around for us? Okay, instead of thinking, hey, we gotta get a second job to make some more money, we go straight to our employer and say, hey, let me check out my W-4 forms, okay, or W-2. I'm not exactly sure what, the number, can't remember right at the moment. But you get those forms, those tax forms, and then you change certain things on that tax form that will help you make more on your weekly or bi-weekly check. Okay? So then, and in turn, with that, with that surplus on your check, you don't want to just go and start spending on things you don't need. You know what I mean? You don't want to go and be like, oh, well, I'm making about, $50 to $100 more on my check. I think I'm going to take that money and make a whole bunch, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead, buy some new clothes, or do some certain things that you normally wouldn't do if you didn't have that money, right? So, what should you do with that money? Okay, you take that extra income and start building yourself a business online. It's that simple. Okay, this business will then turn into a six-figure business, extremely easy and extremely faster than you think if you follow the steps laid out in the Wealth Builder system. Yep, the Wealth Builder system can help you make six figures online within a year. Okay? All you have to do is check out the video below and get started today. That video below in the first comments and in the description. All right, check that out so you can learn more about the Wealth Builder system and start changing your income now, and then your life will change in the interim as you create more money. All right, so there you have it, man. It's your boy Devon signing off for how to go from minimum wage to six figures a year all online. Do remember, Wealth Builders, if you like this shirt right here, this shirt, I Motivate Myself. All right, I designed it myself. It's the new line from 5280 Clothing. All right, that link is in the description also. And again, do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.